I just recorded for like 20 minutes and realized I wasn't even recording. Anyways, if you've been watching our videos, you know that we are on a bed hunt and we're trying to get beds for the kids. And so now we are at Ashley's. Look at Isaiah. What is he doing? Anyways, so we're in Ashley's Furniture, and when we leave here, we'll go across 2 rooms to go. You can see it. Anyway, so we're trying to find a bed. Like, the dilemma is like the frame. Like, we don't know what kind of frame. Like, we went to IKEA and Nebraska Furniture Mart. Anyways, I don't know. So I think we may have found what we might get, but that'll be like another video. But anyways, right now we're just looking at beds and trying to make a decision. Not for the kids, nice, but nice. It's too big for your rooms. You're talking about what? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Sky wants her whole room to be white.
And gold.
White and gold. Oh my gosh, is this real? Oh, no. I said it's so pretty, but I mean, it's still pretty. Just not real. Kyle, look, there's a vanity. Sorry, baby. Come on.
I know how to get
Girl, Kyle, look at this vanity.
It's not a vanity, that's a desk.
This is a vanity. A desk. Desk with a mirror. Oh, let's see. Vanity mirror. What did you say, Kai? What did you say, Sky?
Oh, let's go read it.
Yeah, help her out, Isaiah. Help her out, Isaiah.
Guess we're about to pay for this. Why you don't want to read it? Because you're so right. Oh,
Ooh, is that soft?
I am.
Hey, move.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Soft with a little rough hint to it. Raven over here trying to be hood, New York hood.
You know what I'm saying?
You're so stupid. We about to get kicked out of here though. There's IKEA right behind those trees. No, it's not. Oh, this is nice. No, it's not, girl. What you say? That chair's super sturdy, huh? What?
It's only 4 chairs. 21.
For 4? Oh, 4 chairs. Oh, wow. They probably take those 2 centerpieces out. Oh, I like this little chase.
No, what?
That's a fainting
Right
chair.
here, chase. A fainting chair?
That's
Shut
a
up.
fainting chair.
Gosh. Kai, canopy bed. Kai, canopy bed. A canopy bed. Don't you like? Girl, I'm not going to say it again. Get over it. What is this? Oh.
White and gold.
Yeah, white and gold.
Kai. What? Kai. Oh, good Lord. What is going on? Honey, quick. Her pants is coming down. Kai, fix your pants, girl. Kai, look, canopy bed. So, Kai, you like that?
No,
Good. Did you say you want a canopy bed?
that's brown. I'm talking about the room that
Oh,
has.
Lord.
You know what canopy
You weren't about to get this. I guess this is a post
Where it
bed.
has-
Post
Canopy mean brown?
You, I know, right? It is a canopy
Where it
bed.
has white. I mean,
I don't like them though.
they take sheets.
Yeah, throw it across.
It's only 12. It's okay. Calm down, Kai.
Y'all, let's go before we get kicked. Before we get asked to go. I said,
Okay.
well, shut up.
They say, can you please leave? Can you pull up your pants?
Oh, Lord, every day, all day. This is what we got to do.
See?
What?
Sit on here.
I should sit on there.
We're not giving no kind of a...
Oh, good Lord, that one's too soft. I can't. You just sink right. This one, honey, serious. I couldn't do this though. It's too soft. Look at her, girl. What is it, honey? Isaiah, you good?
Stop it.
No, this one. Come here.
No, put your body on. Look.
I'm. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
How you supposed to fall asleep?
Let's go. This way. Look, he chilling. He chilling.
Oh, this one right here? Right here?
He going to the grown-up bed. It's hard.
Yeah. Try this.
You stupid. I said, what you say? You need a little bit more.
You the fool or queen?
You say you a big man? I said he's a big man. All right. Yeah, we don't need to be in here. That's cute. You like that? It's white too, okay?
Mess it up.
No, she don't. The slime bin been shut down. You didn't hear?
What happened to the slime?
It's in the trash. It's probably in the landfill somewhere right now.
You not slime for money no more?
Yeah, that's nasty.
Okay.
I don't like this
You don't like this? Why?
because it's white. She likes black.
What don't you like?
I didn't
'Cause you-
say I didn't like it.
oh, well, it sound like it.
She likes black.
Cottage tree.
Oh, what? Oh, that's cute. That little, that polka dot frame. That is so cute. I mean, what did I say frame? Vase.
Be quiet.
I like that lamp. That is so cute.
No, this is white.
You like it?
She want bells on it.
She's so dang on picky. She gonna end up with nothing.
There you go, princess.
I know, it's so cute. I like all the pink and stuff. This is even cute. Girl, get out of there. What you say? You like the way it feels? It's soft. Oh, it rocks. That's cool. Hold on. Let's see. Oh. Oh, wow. I do like this.
You want a drink, cousin?
I said,
You gotta find
what?
somebody to bring.
A complimentary drink. There's a complimentary drink. What is this good? Go ahead and drink it then. That's gross. Let me see. Oh, yeah, let's see. Where's it up? Okay. So the best that we felt for the kids are like, yeah. And it does come with the box spring.
Text that dude. Ask him.
He said it came with box spring.
The bed you slept on in North Carolina, that didn't have a box spring.
What is he
A
doing?
double mattress.
I said, what are you doing?
Because, like,
They're driving. Me and I said are walking. I said not walking. Aren't we, Isaiah? We're getting our exercise in, aren't we, Isaiah? I said,
Not really.
not really. We need to speed up. We need to run.
Oh, we don't.
Y'all, it's kind of chilly out here. I had my coat on. I took it off because I knew we'd be doing a lot of walking.
Not that cold.
So why you got your hoodie on and the hood on and everything?
I don't have a shirt on.
I don't have a Why don't you have on a shirt, son?
I wasn't wearing one and then I left last second, so I didn't.
Oh, Lord, boy. Oh, so there's IKEA across the way, if you can see it. Ashley behind us. And we are right here. Here's home. Home. Wait, home to go? Rooms to go. Rooms to go. Good in here. There they go. Started already.
we got the same stuff in here, though.
I know.
I'm so
I like that table right
Like this.
777.
What is in his room?
Yeah, no, you don't.
Okay, so go get in it.
I'm just use it like this.
And tear it up and we broke tomorrow.
No, I'm using
Scott, you good? Where's the thing for that? How do you light it up? Oh, like the movies. All right, chitlins. Let's roll.
there. That's your spot. Look at that. Stop.
Let's take it up.
Them day beds.
Kai, here you go. Kai, here you go. Right here. Found it.
Look, that little seat.
Bam. Kai, you ignore me?
Kai.
Kai.
That's so bigger than the
Kai,
bed.
here you go.
White right here,
Kai.
Kai.
She said, yes, she ignore me.
Cut.
So Kai.
I love day beds.
Kai, we found your bed, Kai?
What is it?
Kai. So Kai.
Look,
Kai.
be quiet.
What? Wait, what? Did she just shoot? No.
Oh, she tried it.
Hold on, camera off.
Camera off. That's all I'm about to
Camera off. I said. Oh.
I like them.
Look, it's like a day bed or something. It's like a bed, but it looks like a couch.
But then look,
different.
I'm gonna show you something different about this.
What's the
Pull out
frame look
box.
like?
No.
Check
Your
it
friend can
out.
sleep in the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's it.
that's neat. That's cool. And it comes in different colors too, I guess.
play with me.
This is nice, honey. You like this? Yeah.
See, my thing is that I want
Look at the detailing.
the table
I like that. I like this. You like this? This is nice. You like this, Isaiah? You don't like it? Why? It's too low. I don't think so. Does this seat come out? I said, what? I love this chair, yes. I like this. And it's leather. I like this. Oh, in the back too. Look, I like that. That's nice. I like that. How you like that?
Sit down. Not for these things on no.
Oh, oh.
No.
Look, it curves.
Sit down. Sit down.
It's an orthopedic temper. I know. Yes, Lord. I need this.
This is just the mattress for $3,600.
But I need this.
Huh?
No, you do not.
Yeah.
This is nasty.
When you start snoring, I can raise you.
Oh, Isaiah's gonna put me down.
So you pay
Oh, I feel it. Give it here. Let's see. Let's see my head. Let's raise my head up. Yes. I'm coming up. Oh, it's doing something to the feet. I like this. Okay.
I'm gonna raise you up when you start snoring.
I can raise you up. I don't snore.
No.
Yes.
Snore more than him.
I do not.
Yes, you do.
I do not.
Now, how do you know you're asleep?
Get Isaiah Tempur-Pedic.
Hey.
He's a big man.
Oh, there you go.
Is that a raise up high enough, Isaiah? Huh? You need something like that? That means I can be on this. You can be on that side. I can be on this side.
That's nice for like a breakfast table.
Snack table. Card table.
Okay, this is good.
This is Raven. How can I help you? He's so long.
Press directions. Press directions. It's in Plano.
Eating both buns. We are going to Shake Shack for some lunch. Look at sprinkles across. Ooh, wow, that's a big curve. I almost fell. Oh, he left us.
He just gone.
About to get hit. Cashew still untied. God, there's Lululemon. Do you still like Lululemon? I'm just getting a Shack burger. Kai wants a Shack burger and a shake.
You getting bigger?
Huh? I think it's only one fry, right? Okay. This burger is super small. So everything is separate. It didn't come in a combo. You have to order the burger. Fries for $3. The shakes were $5. And the burgers are so small. Sure, it's okay. Isaiah look like he got a double with bacon. And I got a cookies and cream shake, and Kaya got a... Kaya, what kind of shake did you get? Salted caramel. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What did you just say?
So where you guys want to go eat?
He said, okay, that was good, so where do we want to go eat? Yeah, the burgers were this big. It was... Look, for me, so Raven
Just want that shake.
paid for just her and Isaiah, and that was $40. What? We should have went to Steak and Shake like I said. Because it's all about portion size. That's why we're the fattest country in the world.
Are you the same? That's what I'm taking.
I don't want to move. We're the country, lead a country. We're trying to lead a country. What is wrong with that? Sorry, but we had to edit what was just said. Anyway, yeah, we're considering going to another country. They lived in Germany for 6 years. Their mom was in the military, so I was like, let's go back to Germany. I wouldn't mind. I got sprinkles, cupcakes. To what are you doing? To what is it? It's Tavern. Spectacles, eyeglass
You can buy
store.
your Tesla cars here?
Oh, Tesla's inside of the Northport Mall.
Tommy Bahama restaurant? I didn't know it was a bar.
Is this a restaurant? I thought that was a clothing store.
I need that ring.
Wait, Mexican restaurant right there? What?
Huh?
Oh, Italian food, North Italia.
So this is the mall.
J. Crew.
This is
Pink. Oh, Pink is down here, Kai.
J. Crew.
Oh, they're going for a photo shoot. Okay. Going
somebody
for a
playing
photo
that.
shoot.
True Kitchen. True Food Kitchen. That
Black and
True
Coke.
Food Kitchen.
Sephora. That's
Sephora.
the makeup
That's kind of
shop.
like that.
Johnny was. Okay. There go Mac. Hey.
I want a Mac face done.
He just standing there looking at it instead of
He is
hipping it.
Rustic Cuff. They got a whole thing down here.
Wait. That's not supposed to be here.
Where it's supposed to be at? Oh, I'm a gift.
Y'all, they got a rustic cuff out
Okay,
here.
let's go take
Nation.
nobody in there.
Barnes and Noble kitchen.
Kitchen.
So that was Legacy West. I guess we'd heard about it, but we'd never been there before. Just all the different shopping places there are down there. So that was nice. Little area, food area, shopping area. So it's cold out here, so we got the heat on. We need to go. Oh, we need to go by and get a lighter so we can light the fireplace. Zeb was at home texting me. He said, "Should he eat something or am I bringing something home?" So I have my lanterns going and the fireplace going. It's like 30-something degrees outside, I think. Xavier's about to go to work.
Probably on 6%.
What is your phone? It better be charged. Okay, love you. Be careful.